My name is Purvita. My name is Tanvisri. My name is Spandana. We are studying in first standard. My school name is San Philomena's High School in Chandapura branch.
Now GK concept. States and capitals.
States and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chandigarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Impal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Mysore. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Bangalore. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. West Bengal, Kolkata.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabarani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka. Pulakeshi, Krishna Devaraya. Krishnuvardhana, Mayura Varma. Madakari Nayaka. Kitturani Channamma. Akka Bukka. Jaya Chamaraja Odayar. Campe Gowda.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu. Kathakali, Kerala. Kathak, Uttar Pradesh. Manipuri, Manipur. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. Odissi, Odisha. Satriya, Assam. Madki dance, Madhya Pradesh. Dandiya, Gujarat. Yakshagana, Karnataka.
Festivals.
National festivals. January 26, Republic Day. August 15, Independence Day. October 2nd.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas. Rugveda.
wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India. Statue in Karnataka. Taj Mahal in Agra. Baby Temple in Karnataka. Konark Sun Temple in Orissa. Nalanda University in Bihar. Golden Temple in Punjab.
Indian festival.
Indian festivals. Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Mohara, Good Friday.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
Five oceans of the world. Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka. Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkaballapura, Chikadurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Dadak, Asan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, ಸಿಂಧಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ, ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಿ, ಕೊಂಕಣಿ, ಮಲಯಾಳಂ, ಮರಾಠಿ, ಮೈಥಿಲಿ, ಮಣಿಪುರಿ, ಒಡಿಯಾ, ಪಂಜಾಬಿ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್, ಸಂತಾಲಿ, ಸಿಂಧಿ, ತಮಿಳ್. ಅವತಾರ ವಿಷ್ಣು, ಮತ್ಸ್ಯ, ಕೂರ್ಮ, ವರಾಹ, ನರಸಿಂಹ, ವಾಮನ, ಪರಶುರಾಮ, ರಾಮ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಬುದ್ಧ, ಕಲ್ಕಿ.
How many days a week?
7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
How many months in a year?
12.
Say name.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Opposite words. In,
Out,
up,
down,
come,
go,
on,
off,
over,
under,
after,
before,
inside,
outside,
new,
old,
big,
small,
yes,
no,
dry,
dry, red,
good,
bad,
hot,
cold,
sad,
happy,
day,
night,
morning,
evening,
boy,
girl,
give,
take,
five sense organ,
5 sense organs, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Father of the nation,
Mahatma Gandhi.
national anthem,
Jana Gana Mana,
national song,
Vande Mataram.
national flower,
Lotus,
national animal,
tiger,
national sea animal,
dolphin,
national bird,
peacock,
national fruit,
mango,
national language,
Hindi,
national book,
Bhagavad Gita,
national game,
hockey,
national tree,
banyan tree,
national rivers,
Ganga,